Welcome back to another EJ Plays video. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that notification bell, hit that thumbs up button. If this is the first time you're on my channel, my name is EJ and this is the EJ Plays channel. So yeah, today I'm gonna be making a red glass similar to this one that I did not upload yet. But subscribe for more if you want me to upload the one I already recorded. It's just to upload. So yeah. We're gonna get right into it, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you want me to upload that other blue glass material. So yeah, so we're gonna get a material here. Right click in our content browser, we're gonna add a material. We're gonna capital M underscore red glass. Gonna save, open this. In our blend mode, we want to switch blend mode to translucent, and then lighting mode to surface translucent volume. I'm gonna save. So it may take long. Well, now we have it saved. We're gonna get we're gonna right click in our graph. We're gonna get a constant for vector. We're gonna put this up here. We're gonna copy this from my other tutorial that I did not upload yet. So we're gonna put that into the R, such a V, just copy that number. Yeah, we're just gonna put that into the base color. It's gonna go into base color. We're gonna press save again. It might take long. Okay, so we have that. We're gonna drag out of here. We're gonna dragging out of the content for vector. We're gonna get a mask, and then under mat, we're gonna go down to this component mask. And then we're gonna untick G, and then keep R tick, and then this is gonna go to the opacity, or I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna put that out. We're gonna, cut it out. What am I talking about? Okay, we're gonna just make this very straight like that. I'm gonna add the comment. Press C on your keyboard. We're gonna call this red glass material. So yeah, we're gonna save. So when we're done saving, we have our material pops up here. We basically have that. We can close our material editor now, and then I'm just gonna duplicate this blue one. Actually, I'm gonna show you how to do this. I'm gonna get a plane, which is basically a 4. Drag it up, rotate it on. So rotate it again. If one side is like white and one side is just like invisible, just rotate it again on the to the white side and scale this in a little bit. It's like a mirror. So it doesn't have to be the same size as the other one. Calling this red glass. See here, and then bring this a little bit. There you go, and then put our material there, and then we basically have our red material glass. So yeah, it's very well our glass right there. You can call this one looks like frosted glass, and this one looks like maybe just red glass. It's just red glass. No, so yeah. If you have learned from this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Let's get 1K likes on this video. Yeah. So yeah. And yeah, I wouldn't be uploading that much anymore, only on the weekends now, because maybe sometimes after school, because right now my schedule with school online, I'm all day online, and I'm finding my schedule very hard right now. So yeah. So when I have time to make videos, I'll make videos. If you guys have any requests for videos, make sure to put them in the comment down below. And yeah, and peace. We're out.